Every year, millions of people make promises to themselves. This is the year I change. I will wake up earlier. I will start exercising. I will build my business. I will finally become the person I want to be. For a few days, everything feels possible. You feel inspired. You feel unstoppable. You watch motivational videos. You create new goals. You imagine a better future. But then something happens. The excitement disappears. The motivation fades. And slowly, most people return to their old habits. The reason is simple. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. The people who achieve extraordinary things are not always the most talented. They are not always the smartest. They are the people who continue working when they no longer feel motivated. Because success is not built on how you feel. It is built on what you do consistently. The problem with motivation feels powerful because it creates an emotional wave. When you watch an inspiring story or imagine your future success, your brain releases excitement. You feel ready to take action. But emotions change. One day you feel energetic. Another day you feel tired. One day you believe you can achieve anything. Another day you question yourself. If your actions depend only on motivation, your progress will always be unstable. You will work hard when you feel good. You will stop when things become difficult. And this is why many people never reach their goals. They are waiting for the perfect feeling. But successful people understand something different. You do not need to feel motivated to take action. You need a system that forces you to move forward. That system is discipline. Discipline means doing what needs to be done. Discipline is not about being perfect. It is not about waking up at 4 a.m. every day or working without rest. Discipline is the ability to make decisions based on your goals instead of your emotions. It means choosing the long-term reward over the short-term comfort. Your brain naturally looks for the easiest path. It wants comfort. It wants entertainment. It wants to avoid difficulty. But every major achievement requires doing things that are uncomfortable. The athlete trains when they are tired. The entrepreneur works when results are uncertain. The student studies when distractions are everywhere. The writer writes even when inspiration is missing. Discipline creates progress when motivation disappears. Motivation starts things. Discipline finishes them. Think about a rocket launching into space. The most powerful moment is the beginning. The engines create enormous energy to escape Earth's gravity. But after the launch, the rocket needs precise control to continue its journey. Motivation is the launch. Discipline is the navigation system. Without discipline, motivation creates a lot of beginnings but very few achievements. Many people start, few people finish. The difference is not talent. The difference is consistency. The power of small daily actions. Most people underestimate small actions. They believe success comes from one massive breakthrough. But real transformation happens through small decisions repeated every day. Reading 10 pages every day. Exercising for 30 minutes. Learning one new skill. Saving a small amount of money. Improving 1% every day. These actions appear insignificant, but over time, they create enormous results. A person who improves consistently for years will outperform someone who depends on occasional bursts of motivation. Success is not usually created by one big moment. It is created by thousands of small choices. Discipline builds identity. The greatest power of discipline is not what it helps you achieve. It is who it helps you become. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you build confidence. Every time you complete a difficult task, you strengthen your character. Every time you choose progress over comfort, you prove that you can trust yourself. Eventually, discipline becomes part of your identity. You stop saying, "I am trying to become disciplined." You start saying, "I'm a disciplined person." Your actions create your identity. And your identity influences your future actions. How to build discipline is not something you are born with. It is a skill that can be trained. The first step is to start small. Do not try to completely change your life overnight. Extreme changes usually fail because they require too much willpower. Instead, create simple commitments. Wake up at the same time every day. Complete one important task before entertainment. Exercise consistently. Remove unnecessary distractions. Keep promises you make to yourself. Every small victory strengthens your discipline. Control your environment. One of the biggest mistakes people make is relying only on willpower. Willpower is limited. Your environment has a huge influence on your behavior. If your phone is always next to you, distractions become easier. If unhealthy food is always available, temptation becomes stronger. If your workspace is chaotic, focus becomes harder. Successful people, design their environment to support their goals. They remove distractions. They create routines. They make good choices easier. Discipline becomes simpler when your environment works with you instead of against you. Discipline when nobody is watching. Anyone can work hard when people are watching. Anyone can appear motivated when there is attention and praise. But true discipline appears in private. It is waking up when nobody will know if you sleep longer. It is practicing when nobody is giving you recognition. It is working toward a goal when results are still invisible. The most successful people in the world built their achievements through thousands of unseen hours. Discipline is the bridge between your current self and your future self. The final lesson: motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. Motivation can inspire you to begin, but discipline gives you the strength to continue. Your dreams will not be achieved by the days when everything feels easy. They will be achieved by the days when you want to quit, but you continue anyway. The world celebrates success, but it rarely sees the discipline behind it. The early mornings, the sacrifices, the boring repetitions, the difficult choices. Success is not about being motivated every day. It is about building a system that moves you forward even on the days when motivation is gone. Because motivation gets you started, but discipline changes your life.